Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're reviewing the Samsung HW-B57C B-Series 4.1 channel soundbar, a Dolby Audio/DTS Virtual X system that brings a cinematic surround sound experience right into your home. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best price on this amazing sound system. Down pointing finger. Fire, key features and performance. White check mark, 4.1 channel audio with rear speaker kit. True surround sound experience for immersive audio. White check mark, Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X, expands sound in all directions for a theater-like feel. White check mark, wireless subwoofer, deep, room-filling bass without messy cables. White check mark, game mode, enhances sound effects for competitive gaming. White check mark, Bluetooth TV connection, wireless setup for a clean and clutter-free space. White check mark, adaptive sound light, adjusts audio settings automatically for different content. White check mark, one remote control, control both your TV and soundbar with a single remote. Musical note, sound experience and performance. This soundbar elevates your home entertainment with powerful 4.1 channel surround sound, making movies more immersive, games more exciting, and music more dynamic. The rear speakers add depth and realism, while the wireless subwoofer delivers punchy bass for action scenes and music beats. Plus, game mode provides an edge in FPS and racing games by enhancing directional sound cues. Collision, should you buy it? If you want an affordable yet powerful surround sound system with wireless connectivity, deep bass, and immersive sound effects, the Samsung HW-B57C is an excellent choice. It's perfect for movie lovers, gamers, and anyone looking to upgrade their TV audio experience. Right pointing finger, check the link below for the best deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. High volume, fire.